Hello everybody and happy Thursday. Okay, so today is quite a fun day. I'm actually on a little adventure out. So within fashion, usually, especially if you work at a brand, you have to sort of go on different trips across the country and even the world because you have to set up the brand for certain events. And that's what I'm doing today. We're setting up for this big event and basically it's going to showcase the new collection. So if you would have seen at the beginning of the video, this was filmed in September, which is obviously now for me. But the reason it's only being released now is because the collection wasn't out yet. So I thought what I'd do is film now and then release it when the collection's out. So you get an idea of what's going on behind the scenes. And it's kind of up to date, so wherever you see, you can actually go and shop and buy now. It's currently like 7:15. I had to get up at like 6:45 because today I'm on my way to Birmingham to set up this whole thing with a big team of people. So really exciting, really fun. Once we get to Birmingham, then we need to check in, make sure all the COVID restrictions are done, all of that sort of stuff. We'll start setting up the day. So there's this massive pyramid thing that we're going to set up with loads of different mannequins on. There's different areas to show the different collections that we're doing. Now it is a high street fashion brand, so we'll be doing things like Christmas, Halloween, we'll be doing like party and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, come and join me on this journey today. Okay, let's crack on. Okay, heading to the platform. Oh, I'm glad we've got a table. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so after a long, grueling journey, we're finally at the Birmingham NEC, where we're going to set up for everything, and yeah, I'll show you around. Oh, it's absolutely massive. So clearly they're setting up for different Christmas presentations and things. Oh, maybe we are over there. It looks like all the mannequins and everything are there. That's Jo, she's my manager. Hi. As we're dressing the mannequins, bases keep smashing. Adam has already broken one. So we're almost finished dressing all the mannequins now. We've pretty much got all kind of like children's wear done, and what we're going to start doing is putting the mannequins on the pyramid and then building them up so it's like a cascade of different outfits. All the women's wear are done over in the back there. We've got menswear, children's wear. See, we're pulling together loads of different outfits, but we're really struggling to find like shoes to fit everything. Yeah, she does need something, or even like this colour.
Yeah, gold.
Gold or pink. Such a shame that these boots don't fit. Oh well. Is it all, what about this Borg one? Is that a women's wear one? Or, yeah, I think the double palm. Okay, so we're still going and putting up loads of bits. As you can see, the pyramid of people are looking really, really good. I think we've got a few more mannequins to dress. We've just done some kids. We need to put some more people on the bottom layer. I think I'll take you around the event in a bit and just show you all the other bits. Like there's a Christmas section, there's a Disney section, there's like a pajama section, and so this is like the big fashion section that we're doing behind us, like toys and gaming. They're testing the sound system for the show tomorrow. Okay, so we've got quite a bit done today. Pyramid's almost done, which is good. I think what we're gonna do now is grab some lunch. I think we're gonna get Subway, which should be delicious.
9.90 straight together.
Okay, so I thought it'd be quite nice to take you round. We've got a children in need section. So these are all the things that we're selling for children in need, including like the Pudsey bears. We've got also the Pudsey onesies and things like that, and just like a really nice kind of section. So this is the gaming section, and so you can go in and see all the different products that are in the gaming section, which is all based around kind of like PlayStation. You've got Xbox, you've got Nintendo, you know, you've also got things like, what was that game called? Among Us things, so that's really fun. So we're moving on to a bit more of a nightwear section as well. Honestly guys, this place is so huge, so much going on. All of the nightwear and everything up here, and then like obviously Christmas gifting and things all for the showcase. And you've almost got like a kind of Santa's grotto section here, so you can kind of walk through it, see all like the candles and the fragrances and the home stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk you over to our Halloween section as well. There's like Black Friday things and everything. Big night in. And then here's all the Halloween sections. So all in all, it's just a massive showcase of what we do as a brand. There's so much to go after, there's so much kind of things that we do. It's just really good to show, and this basically is a showcase for all the store managers to come in and look at and see what we're going to be doing next year. Okay, so the pyramid is finally done, and it's a pyramid full of clothing for men, women and children, which include party, lifestyling and also everyday casual, so looking really good. And then this is how big the room is with all of the different areas that I've just shown you, but it's absolutely huge, massive space, goes all the way around. I do think each side has got like a really nice individual style. Yeah. So the front's party, the back's more casual lifestyle, the side is kind of a little bit more elevated casual.
Oh definitely, it makes more sense now, otherwise it would have been like...
Okay, so we're almost finished here. We've got maybe like an hour left to go, and our stand's done, which is great. All the other stands are nearing completion. I think we've got to be out of here by 4, and it's currently just gone 3 o'clock, so yeah, we've got an hour. My train's at 5, so I won't get back into London till 6ish, and then from there I'm gonna go to a drag bingo. So finally back in London. Such a busy day, but really happy with how everything turned out. Right now I'm heading into Soho because I'm going to meet a couple of friends and we're going to go do some drag bingo, which will be really fun. One of my friends is actually from Canada, who is named Rob. You might have seen him commenting on some of the videos before, so really excited to see him. And then also a couple of other friends, my housemate and one of my other friends, Craig. I am a little bit early though, so I may have to have a little drink on my own and then just chill for a bit, but that's okay, I don't mind doing that. Nice little drink. You look different to last time. Have you dyed your hair? Have you dyed your hair?
No. In this light it's a bit, but it's very black still. Cheers! Cheers!
Welcome, welcome. Over here we've got, now you'll notice, ladies and gentlemen, there's a camera there with one of those fluffy microphones on it. Sheila is being filmed illegally. Time to start the show. Call that ball. Call that ball. Dog them all. Are you ready? When I go out, I want to play what? Bingo! Oh, do you want to smell my cinnamon swirl? I want to play bingo! Oh!